Number 20. A puzzle is made up of these three pieces. The pieces can be flipped and rotated, but they cannot overlap. Okay. So let's read the actual question. Which one of the following shapes cannot be made using these three pieces? So we have a right angle, another right angle, a square, and a right angle. So which of the following cannot be made using these three pieces? So let's see letter A. We say that we have two right angles. So in this case, for example, we can see that this piece can be this one. So this piece can be this, and this piece over here can be represented. For example, if we rotate the piece, we can put it over here. So this piece can be this one, and this piece can be this one. And the last one, the last piece, we can see that is actually this piece over here. So letter A can be our piece. So we can eliminate the letter A. Letter B. Okay, in this case, for example, let's take this piece and let's draw it over here. So my drawing skills are bad. So okay, we can see that if this is our piece over here, we can, for example, use this piece over here. We can stick this piece here, for example. So we can see that we can put this piece here, this piece here. For example, this piece would represent this piece over here, and this piece would represent this one. But in this case, we cannot put the three pieces together. If we start with this one, so let's say that this thing over here, so this one plus this one represent this piece over here. We can put, for example, this piece, but we see that this piece does not is not this piece over here. So we can't put these three pieces together in letter B. So we can say that letter B is actually the answer we are trying to find. So for the sake of practice, let's scheme. Let's go with the other three pieces with the other three constructions. Okay, letter C. We can see that letter C can be made by putting this triangle in this position, this small triangle here, and this square plus a triangle here. So letter C can be made. Letter D can also be made because this is the small piece. Then we say that we put this triangle here, and then we can see that we have our square plus the triangle. So letter D is also not our answer. Letter E can be made by putting this triangle here and by putting either way by putting this this triangle over here and this figure over here. So letter E is not our answer. And so we conclude that letter B is the only shape that cannot be made by piecing together or by sticking together these three pieces. The Almagest is the common title of mathematical and astronomical treatise written by. So in this case, this is known as the general knowledge. The general knowledge is just some fact that you need to study. In this case, the answer is letter A, Claudius Ptolemy. And also number 22 is a general knowledge question. The answer is letter E, Denmark, the telegraph.